this is John with WATI, and you may ask yourself, like, this little bottle, what are you gonna do with it? Well, in this case, this guy here, this is a decanter 5 ml pack that I own a personal business of decanting bottles of perfumes, but it's not only for that. At the same time, will I have my perfumes from the bigger bottles all the way to this little one? Is versatile. You put it in one of your pockets and you have your favorite fragrance wherever you're trying to go. It's easy because you can travel with it in the airport, no problems at all. One of my clients, they came to me the other day and was like, John, I need a fragrance for me to go on a trip. So I gave them one of this or a good pack, and they pass around the airport without no problem. So not only that, you can put almost anything there. You can put I put like mouthwash, the fragrances, whatever you need, even alcohol. If you want to have like you want to keep your hands all the time clean, this is a great option for you. So if you're looking for a great option to carry all of your fragrances, mouthwash, whatever you want, easy, pocketable, and at the same time comfortable for you, this is a great option. This was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.